Hi, I'm hosting a website using Amazon Web Services. Let me explain the AWS products that I have used. Services, Amazon Web Services I have used are S3, which is to upload the website code. Route 53 is for DNS services, DNS service, and CloudFront is to deliver the content. So this is a simple architecture of my application. Website will be hosted on S3 bucket, which is an origination of CloudFront. Then comes the Route 53, which is configured to direct to CloudFront whenever user made a request in domain. So basically, when user type website URL, it will direct to the CloudFront. Then from the CloudFront, it will go to S3 bucket where the website is. So here CloudFront will save time for user when user will visit the website again and again because it will not traverse through the S3 bucket. So it will save users time. I'm gonna quickly show how I used the AWS components here. So I have configured the Route 53 first. I have created the zone. I have created a hosted zone as my domain name. So I have already created a domain as shrutibucket.ml. So I have added that domain as a hosted zone. So when I add that, I get 4 name servers. I add those name servers to my domain here. Here you can see those name servers are already added in my domain. So the next step is to configure the S3 service. So for S3 I have created a bucket and I have made sure that I have given a bucket name same as the domain name. So in the bucket I have added all my website code here. I have given some permissions as well. I have given permissions on these 2 options only, and I have added the bucket policy also. In the bucket policy I have added my domain name here in this. So after that, the website that I am creating, I have created is a static website. So I am gonna select static website hosting. In this, I have added my index document and error document here. So whenever the URL is triggered, then index.html will load, and when some unspecified URL user enters some unspecified word or some other word, it will show the error.html page. So here is my endpoint which is generated here. So by clicking on this link I can see my website from here, but for now we will move on to our third component, which is CloudFront. So for CloudFront I have created a distribution here. So in this distribution we can see domain name here. We need to take this domain name and put this domain name to the record set as a alias. So we need to give alias target here as a CloudFront domain. Why we do that is we need to configure CloudFront and R53 together. So by this way these 3 can be work together. And another thing, when we create the distribution, the origin domain name should be same as this endpoint name, but without the HTTP and colon and this 2/. So I have made sure that I don't make that mistake. Okay, so I have created alias also. Here are my alias. So if all three components are configured now, we can see the website. We can see the website from here. When I click on this link, it will direct me to my website. So the website is all about online marketing. So I am creating a website for marketing agency. I assume that I have the marketing agency and I am providing my clients the marketing facilities like keyword mapping, SEO audits, SEO copywriting, web copywriting, or even the website designing also. So this website will help small business grow. So I have some packages also for my clients, and here are some features that the beginner package have a few features, but it can be also helpful. Here are every detail of that, and the client can order package from here. In this how it works page, I am explaining that how this website help user to grow their business. And even in the information age, it is very helpful to have some website and online marketing. So the strategy of the business is shown here, that it is an SEO consultancy services. Basically it works for SEO and it works for designing, web designing also. So here are various services provided by sbusiness.ml. So, and the frequently asked questions are also designed for the common questions, so that any user can get idea from these questions, and they also can submit the queries from here. And here the last page, which is the contact us page, here the user can contact us through the email or through submitting the form. And this is the static website, so I haven't modified it a lot, but here are some details of it. User can also get free SEO analysis from here, but since it is a static, the page is not developed for that. So when this website handles errors also, when user type any word which is not the URL, so it will show this page, which is error page. So user can redirect to the home page from this also. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for listening.